Welcome to my channel. King Charles and Prince Harry's bond fractures after 30-minute meeting amid health crisis. The already tenuous relationship between King Charles III and Prince Harry experienced another setback following a brief 30-minute meeting in February, which has since exacerbated the existing rift between father and son. The meeting occurred against the backdrop of Charles's recent cancer diagnosis and was intended as a personal gesture amid a tumultuous period for the royal family. However, the brevity and context of the encounter have only deepened the discord. The meeting was hastily arranged after news of the king's diagnosis was made public, prompting Harry to fly from California to London. Despite the urgency, the encounter was significantly shortened due to strict health protocols imposed on Charles to minimize his exposure to infections while undergoing treatment. This health crisis, coupled with Charles's need to adhere to COVID-style tiers of social distancing, constrained their interaction to a mere half-hour. A source close to the situation explained the logistical challenges. Charles had to reduce his social contact as much as possible due to his diagnosis. The meeting with Harry was brief because any additional interaction posed a risk to his health. The source also indicated that shortly after their encounter, Charles was required to travel to Sandringham, further limiting the possibility of a more extended discussion with Harry. The significance of this brief meeting cannot be overstated in the context of their strained relationship. Since stepping back from royal duties in 2020, Harry and Meghan Markle's decision to relocate to California and their subsequent public criticisms have strained their ties with the royal family. Harry's memoir Spare and a Netflix series have exacerbated tensions, leaving the king and his son with unresolved grievances. In the aftermath of the February meeting, the relationship between Charles and Harry reportedly deteriorated further. Despite being in London on the same day in May, the two did not meet again, fueling speculation about their ongoing estrangement. The Duke of Sussex's attempt to reconnect during a visit to the UK for an Invictus Games event was reportedly met with a lack of availability from Charles, who was preoccupied with other commitments and health concerns. The brief encounter also highlighted a broader issue within the royal family regarding communication and expectations. Charles's offer to provide Harry with accommodation at Buckingham Palace during his London visit was declined, with Harry opting for a hotel instead. This decision, coupled with Charles's busy schedule and health limitations, has been interpreted as a further sign of the growing distance between father and son. The king's efforts to repair the relationship have been complicated by ongoing disputes and public criticisms. Harry's legal battles over security provisions in the UK have added another layer of tension, with the Duke expressing frustration over the lack of support from his father and the royal family. This issue has further strained their already fragile communication. Moreover, the broader implications of the strained relationship have significant consequences for the royal family. Charles's recent engagement with spiritual leaders has reportedly influenced his openness to reconciliation, yet the practical difficulties and emotional wounds from past interactions remain barriers to healing. The king's commitment to his role and health, coupled with the complexities of familial relationships, underscores the challenge of resolving such deep-seated issues.